Samantala, suportado naman ni Pangulong Duterte ang pagpapasara ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources sa mahigit 20 mining firm sa bansa. Si Julius Disamboron sa detalye.
Suportado ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang ginagawang hakbang ni Environment Secretary Gina Lopez hinggil sa pagpapahinto ng operasyon ng higit 20 mining company sa bansa. Batay kasi sa naunang press conference ni Secretary Lopez, kanyang inihayag ang pagpapasara ng 21 mining firms sa bansa dahil sa indiscriminate mining. Ilan lang sa mga kumpanyang mahaharap sa closure ang Benguet Corporation Nickel Mines Incorporated, Ermine Minerals, LNL Mining at Zambales Diversified Metal Corporation. Meron ding ipinasarang mining firm sa Eastern Samar, Dinagat Islands at Surigao del Norte. Dagdag pa ng kalihim ng DENR, buhay kasi ng mga kababayan nating apektado ang nakasalalay at dapat isaalang-alang.
And there was never a time that I called her to slow down a little bit because on one hand is the strict implementation of the mining laws. She should passionate about not about the mining laws, but about the little man on the land tilling. And she's very adamant. Today she's insisting on the closure of so many.
Pinuri din ng punong ehekutibo si Lopez dahil sa ginagampanan nito ng tama ang kanyang tungkulin maging sa mga pro-poor policies nito.
And I support her. She's a pro-people, pro-poor policies that I said when I took her in, you can have your way, just be fair and make it legal. That's about the only standard that we follow. What is legal and what is fair. Hanggang dyan lang tayo.
Para sa PTV News, Julius Disamboron, Davao City.